Today we're creating an original character. I'm creating Gumi. He's based on a gummy drop. Start by drawing a gummy drop shape. Gumi is round with little legs and little arms, just like Mulan. You can use an apple or a cloud or anything for inspiration. I'm drawing Gumi with happy eyes, a smile, and blush cheeks. I'm taking inspiration from Pusheen the cat to dress up Gumi as a mermaid and a merboy. Let's start with the mermaid. First, draw the head of a basic Gumi and draw a chubby mermaid tail. You can do it too. It's easy. Draw the hands close together, holding a parrot. I'm decorating her head with a shell. Draw a smiley mouth and smiley eyes with cute eyelashes. She's a blushing mermaid. Cute! Now let's draw a merboy. Follow the same steps as the mermaid. I made him a bit chubbier and a bit bigger. High five for getting here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my shorts for more Gumi videos. Draw a smiley mouth with one winky eye. He's gonna have a little bit of hair. He's holding a starfish on one of his hands. Now it's time to color. Yippee! Awesome work!